So welcome back to my channel, my dear lovely viewers. For those of you who have been paying attention to my channel and who have been active here, I just dropped a task and I noticed a lot of people are finding it hard to run. It's actually inscription on Bitcoin chain itself, so which is using AI powered application via Twitter. So this is what we'll be doing, and this is the link I shared in the in my channel. So we'll just click on the link to take us directly to Twitter, and what you need to do, I just follow the person, and this is the task we need to do. As you can see, everyone in the comment section, they are dropping similar comments. So this is mine personally. So now all you need to do is just copy anyone. You can copy mine, you can copy someone else's own, but what is important is make sure you do all these changes I'll be doing. So let's go. Just find somewhere. It could be a notepad, it could be a whatever it is you think you want to use. Just so for people who don't know how to go about using notepad, so I'll just show you how to go about this using just your WhatsApp without even using notepad. So just paste it here like any chat section on your WhatsApp. So once you do this, you need to go to your Mrs. browser for Android users. For PC users, you can use your Chrome extension on your PC, and for iPhone users, you can use your Orion browser. If you don't know how to go about installing extensions on iPhone, check my video description section. You will see a video on how to use extension on your iPhone. So here I will drop a video on how to do that. I have the video, you just see it in the video description section. So here, the next thing you need to do, you need to download a Unisat wallet extension on your phone, on your browser. If you don't know how to go about that, what you just need to do is just okay, let's do this. Just search Unisat. Just search Unisat wallet extension. So this is how you would see how Unisat. Sorry, it's not up yet. Come here. Let me use a different. Let me add a new tab. Unisat wallet extension. I hope you know this browser is actually still in beta mode. So however it is you use it, you just have to manage it because it's not the original. It's not the fully okay. Or let me do this. Just to be on safe side, I want to reduce the tabs I have open. You can see it's lagging. I don't want to close all the browser. I have so many tabs open. So you can see I have even Grass wallet extension. So I have a lot of extensions on the browser. So right now, the next thing I'll be doing, let me just search the Unisat wallet extension. Yeah, Google. So you click on the first one, which is Chrome Web Store. You can see mine is showing remove from Chrome, but because I already have the wallet. So for you'll be adding to Chrome. Once you add to Chrome, you come up here, you'll see Unisat. As you can see mine here, just click on Unisat. So once you click here, yours will be asking you whether you want to create a wallet or you want to import an existing wallet. If you have an existing wallet, you import. If you don't have, make sure you create. And when you're creating, you see the option for native SegWit. The first option, which is native SegWit, that's the option you'll be picking. In the option, you see where your wallet address. This is your wallet address under this account 1. You see the wallet address will be carrying BC1. Make sure that's the option you select, please. As you can see, if you check the comment section, all the comments you'll be seeing in between the comments. You see, as my comment, for example, here, as you can see it, you see this part where the wallet address is. You can see the wallet address starts with BC1. So make sure you use that one with BC1. So after creating the extension here, as you can see, this is where the wallet address is, and once you tap on it, it will copy. But let me show you what you need to do on WhatsApp from what we copied in the comments, in the Twitter comment section. As you can see here, this is wallet address. This is where you see wallet address. Once you double tap, automatically it will select just where the wallet address is. All you need to do is, let's go back. For example, let's go to this. I've copied this wallet address. The next thing I'll be doing, where I already selected wallet address, sorry, where I already select, okay, I'll just select wallet address, as you can see. So what would I do now is, I'll just do this, then I would paste it. It's because I'm using the same wallet address, that's why you're not seeing effect. Or let me just reduce something so that you see that it's not the same thing that is being pasted. Let me click on paste now, so you can see after pasting, you now come to this part. The only places those are the only two places you'll be making changes. Please pay attention. So once you click here, you drag it to this part. That is, you can just decide to write anything of your choice. I love my mom. Anything of your choice. That's all you need to change. So once you're done changing, you double tap, you just highlight everything, or you can do copy all, whichever one works for you. Then I'll cut. Once you cut, then I'll go back to Twitter. Then I'll click on the comment section. Make sure you're commenting directly under the tweet, not under someone else's tweet. So just click, then you paste. Then once you paste, then you post. That's all you need to do. So once you do it, we'll be hoping and waiting for the next updates from this. But I believe this might actually do well, and I don't want you guys to fail this. Please make sure you take this serious and try as much as possible to make sure you participate. So thank you very much for watching my video, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.